Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Up, 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 don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Yo! What up, fellas? Happy Sunday, man. We got the weekly close. Can we see Bitcoin break out, or are we gonna reject again? That's what we'll talk about today. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good out there, man. It's a good Sunday. Good weekend for me, man. Fantastic weekend. One of the best weekends I had in a long time. Hope everyone can say the same out there. Absolutely great weekend, man. Honestly, dude. I'm in the best mood right now. Great weekend, man. Great weekend. Hope everyone's doing good out there, though. Creepy, Birdie, John, Pelagic. What's up, man? He said, sup, sup. Give me more energy than that, Pelagic. Come on, man. We need to get Bitcoin through this freaking line, bro. All right, anyways. Yeah, we got some stuff to talk about today. Bitcoin keeps testing this trend line. Keeps getting rejected. Can we break through? I don't fucking know, man, but I hope so. I hope so. I'm ready to rock and roll, man. I'm tired of being bearish. I don't want to reject from this again. So I hope we can break through. I don't like to be bearish, guys. I really don't. Hector, what's up, man? Clementine, Mike Dawson. It's Mike Dawson. You like saying that, man. I noticed Mike Dawson likes to go, it's Mike Dawson. Like it's like some show or some shit. Palachick with the fire. Good to see you, buddy. Leash. Chili's is God. Let's go, Hops. I love when Chili's pumps for Hops, man. It's the best, dude. He just gets so hyped. Creepy Sheepy. Dude, I'm ready, man, but we got to get Bitcoin through here, man. We got to get Bitcoin through here, bro. Bitchy Blue, $1 million Friday. Oh, my God. I don't think so, man. I think there's a very slim chance of that. Bitcoin and SUI is all you need. SUI's the new soul, man. It looks like SUI is the new soul. SUI is this second little run that we're having right now. It's the soul of last year. Definitely. At least at the moment, that is definitely the case. That is definitely the case. But yeah, man. Let's one sec. Hold on. There we go. But yeah, man. So Hope everyone's doing good out there. We got Bitcoin at resistance again. You know, we keep coming up here, and we've rejected from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? So we're back at this again. It looks like we're getting a little rejection again, which kind of sucks, you know. But, you know, as we head into tomorrow, let's see what stocks do. But at the end of the day, Bitcoin is back at resistance. And what I was hoping for this weekend, which we didn't get yet, and I guess like what I was hoping for this weekend is we actually were going to pump and get into this golden pocket right here, right? Up to like 63.6, right? Kind of get like a little move above this trend line and then kind of see if we reject. But it doesn't seem like, at least right now, we're going to get that breakout, at least at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how this week goes, guys. But at the end of the day, we are at this resistance again, which has caused you know, 1 dump and 2 dumps. So 2 big dumperonis. We don't like dumps on this channel, you know. We like pumps, but you know, we got to take the dumps when they come. You know, it's, you know, you got to go to the bathroom. You got to go to the bathroom and you take the dump, bro. But yeah, back at resistance, man. So let's see what happens, and hopefully we can kick some bear nuts this week. That would be nice. Finally get a breakout here, but we got to get through here, man. Anyways, if we do reject here, well, I think if we just look at this logically, if we do reject here, you know, this is if we reject here. I mean, pretty logically, it probably would be pretty logic that we would go down and test like this golden pocket down here at like 57.5 to 58K. If we reject from here, which would be a perfect also, which would be a perfect 1, 2, and if we did come back down here again, would be like a perfect retest of this trend line and the golden pocket from this low to this high. So like that's definitely the area I'm looking for. If we get down there, I'm looking for longs right in this zone. If we get down there, if we don't, well, fuck it, man. I mean, on to the next one, man. You gotta have the patience to wait it out. But if we get a move down there, I'll look for longs. Or if we do something like breakout retest, fuck it, we'll look for some longs. But at the moment, you know, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to short here, bro. I would not blame you if you wanted to short this again. Who is short right now? Let me know in the chat. Who is short? Who is long? If you're both, let me know. But I would not blame you for being short here. I mean, you're at resistance, so it would make more sense to short than long at this current point. If you disagree, well, you don't have the best judgment, in my opinion. But it would make more sense to short here, man. Iceman Crypto, what is Iceman Crypto saying? Let's see. Jordan is losing his ass shorting. That's why his ex-girlfriend dumped dweeb. I guess so, man. I guess so. Let's see how this short does that I'm currently in right now. Let's see how this one goes, man. All right. You can let me know tomorrow when Bitcoin's down here how this one goes for you, man. Okay. All right, Iceman. All right, Iceman Crypto. You know, your name's Iceman Crypto, bro. Oh, fuck, man. XPR88 says I'm long. Oh, by the way, guys, we're trying to get to 75, man. I want to get to the 3/4 to 100. So whoever's not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. This isn't the actual number. We're a lot closer. So if you can subscribe and you're not subscribed, make sure you smack that subscribe button. Because a lot of you guys are, like 80% of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel. It takes 2 seconds, man. Just press that subscribe button. And we can try to get the 75K. Try to get the 75K. All right, if we can, I don't know, but you know, let's see. When Jordan meetup, said Mike Dawson. Dude, I mean, we're waiting for the breakout, man. Like, I've been waiting to do the meetup when Bitcoin finally breaks out. You know, then we can do the meetup. But I mean, at the moment, it's been slow, man. It's been really, really slow. You know, so it's tough to do it when the market's been so slow for so freaking long, right? BTC range got me feeling like a diarrhea clown. Oh Oh man, how's Diarrhea Clown doing? Where's Diarrhea Clown, by the way? Where is Diarrhea Clown? He's probably somewhere in here, or he's out taking a diarrhea somewhere. I don't I don't know where he is. I really don't know where he is. We'll hit that 75K this week. Let's go. Let's go full. I gotta start shilling it, man. I never shill this stuff, but I was like, I gotta start shilling this, man. If I shilled this every day, we'd probably be like 90 plus at the moment. I just don't shill it every day. But yeah, appreciate it, guys. Probably on the toilet. Dude, he's taking a massive dump. Absolutely massive dump right now, man. Like, his dump is so massive. His dump is so massive, man, that I don't even think he can concentrate on the stream. You know what I mean? Jordan Curse, BTC sinking since 62.8 start stream. Dude, guys, guess what? I'm going on vacation next week, so we might be in luck. Because when I'm gone, we've had a lot of good luck. So I'm going to Florida next Monday. Monday to Monday, I'll be gone. So next Monday to the following Monday, I'm gonna be in Florida. I'm going to Disney. So you know what's good about that is we usually do pretty good when I'm gone. You know, we usually do pretty good when I'm gone. But yeah, anyways, you know, it's more likely Bitcoin rejects from here than breaks out again, which is frustrating. I know. But I mean, I keep saying this every day. Like, all we can do is trade the range, guys. Like, hold spot bags, right? If you price comes down low, buy spot bags. Altcoins, price comes down low, buy spot bags. Make sure you're buying low. Make sure you're not FOMOing. And then if you just want to like have fun trading the ranges, just have fun trading the ranges. That's all you really can do right now. You know what I mean? We're range locked. You know, we're stuck in a range. So the best you could probably do is short resistance and long support. That's what's worked for 7 months. I don't see any reason to stop that unless, you know, we do get some clear breakout, which obviously we all want. We all want to go to 85K, 90K, 100K. We all want that, man, but we haven't got it yet. But I do still believe it's coming. It's just a matter of patience and waiting out this, whatever this is, whatever we're doing the last 7 months, man. It's been quite the ride. It's been quite the ride, man. You know, really has been quite the ride. It's been quite the ride everywhere you go. It's been crazy, man. Anyways, make sure your shitcoin doesn't have 57 trillion coins in circulation. Nice, Wade. Rain alert. Rain alert for Wade. We're gonna do 2 rain alerts for Wade. 2 rain alerts for Wade on that one.
Rant alert.
Shout out to Kyle Van Wettering. What's up, JC? Long time no see, man. Not much, dude.
What's up, JC?
Gonna be honest, bro.
No see, man.
Life outside of crypto is great. Super happy. Like I said, this weekend was great, man. I had one of the best weekends I've had in a long time. Life is really good out of crypto. In crypto's boring. I've been trading. Trading's been doing pretty good, but other than that, dude, not much else going on, man. Not much else going on, dude. I'm back up in Rhode Island. Back up near family. Been hanging out with family a lot. Been hanging out with my future wife.
Rant alert.
Oh, shit. Other than that, dude, not much else going on, man. Not much else going on around these parts, dude. Same old shit. Been getting in the gym, trying to, you know, my goal is that when Bitcoin finally breaks out, I'll be in the best shape of my life. I think we're doing pretty good. So yeah, that's really what's going on, man. Cation said, God, this is so boring. Tell me about it, CryptoCation. Tell me about it, man. Guys, I watched Step Brother the other day. Step Brothers is such a good movie, man. I love when he puts the balls on the freaking drum set. That is the best. When he sticks his hairy balls in the drum set. Step Brothers is a great movie, man. I watched that last night. I haven't seen that movie in so long, dude. So long, dude. So long, man. Wow, Anderson and Wayne are fighting. Anderson and Wayne are fighting.
Bruh.
All right, anyways, what else is going besides BTC? Well, not much to say with ETH. It's just range locked. Back up to resistance on ETH. You know, chances are you probably come back to the range lows. If Bitcoin's going to reject from here, it's just odds are that's probably the case. unless we see some like crazy shit tomorrow. Kind of the same thing with Sol. You're back up to range highs, you know? So we're hoping, man. I mean, how we get these out is Bitcoin finally breaks through. But we're still being patient. Obviously, the big winners right now are the new coins, as we've been talking about. Man, the strong coins right now, I say this, man, Say to me, I think is going to catch up to SUI. I think this one is going to play catch up real quick. The strength on this coin is pretty crazy right now, even when Bitcoin goes down. So Say to me looks phenomenal. I love the setup. Looks freaking great, dude. So I love Say as a setup. Obviously, I know a lot of you guys are riding SUI. Some of you guys said I sold like 30% of my SOL for SUI. I mean, SUI's the new SOL, man. Dude, this thing broke out, man. I mean, bearish divergence and everything. It said, fuck the bearish divergence. I'm breaking out. That's what SUI did. SUI literally said, F the bearish divergence on the daily. And it just decided to break the trend line and break higher. So congratulations on SUI. I'll play the pump song if you guys are riding SUI. You guys deserve it, man. And you guys have balls of steel riding this one up, dude. It's good shit. SUI $100. Hopefully, man. I'm rooting for it. I'm rooting for it. I'm rooting for it. Yeah, SUI killing it, dude. There's still weekly bearish divergence, but I wouldn't short this one, man. I keep saying this. Do not short the strong coins. Don't short SUI. Don't short Say. Don't short Tau. If you're gonna short, which I mean, I don't really recommend most people short anyways, but if you're gonna short, just make sure it's one of the weak ass coins like Matic, Cosmos, Cardano, something like that. Not these coins, which just keep ripping shorts. You're just gonna keep getting wrecked, man. You're just gonna keep getting wrecked shorting these things. What else? Tau. This thing, it's still kind of working its way up. Pretty good weekly though. Strong weekly on Tau. Still got the bearish divergence, but like we saw with SUI, sometimes you can just do it, dude. Should I convert more SOL to SUI now or wait for a drop? That's risky, man. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Man. All I could say is you could definitely tell a little bit of sentiment shift of, you know, people would rather buy some of the small cap L1s or smaller cap L1s than SOL right now. That's just kind of the case. Anyways, John, you do whatever you want to do, man. I'm not going to tell you to buy SUI at all-time highs. I'm not going to be that guy. But hey, it might work out for you, man. Do what you want to do. If you feel it in your balls, go for it, dude. Listen, how this market works, if the whole market's going to come down, SOL and SUI are both going to come down together. So if you feel more comfortable with SUI, go with SUI. But I ain't going to tell you to buy SUI at all-time highs. You do what you want to do. But yes, Tau, you know, still has the bearish divergence, but like we saw with SUI, I mean, this thing, you know, these things can just, if it's crypto, right? I mean, if these things are strong, you play the odds, but if these things are strong, they're just gonna rip higher, man. I mean, most of the time you reject on a thing like this, but if the market is like truly strong, you're gonna see more of these coins break out. So we'll see, dude. I mean, that's Tau. Whiff hit my target, man. We're gonna see this on Whiff. I don't know, dude, but we hit the target. The setup is there. Let's see if it plays out, dude. Proud gun owner, what's up, man? Appreciate you. Can you check out ASM? Yeah. Yeah, we can. Mario, let's go. ASM. Oh shit! Got the caps lock on. Damn! Nice, dude. Oh shit! We're playing some pop songs. I love playing the bump songs, man. I love playing the bump songs. It's been a while, dude. Things up like 3x. It's been a while, man. We gotta get the juice back. Assemble AI. I don't know what this is, but it's doing well. It's doing well. Doing well. It's doing real well. It's been a while since we've seen some of these moves, man. I like what I'm seeing with these new coins, man. I'm telling you, the new coins are where it's at. Get out of those old dino coins, man. Get out of those old dino coins. The new coins are all popping off, while all the dino coins are just sitting there. Get out of the dino coins, man. But anyways, ASM, you're right back up to these highs. So you just came up to resistance, basically. Now it's like, all right, daily's overbought. Yeah, 4 hour. All right, I mean, you don't really have bearish divergence yet. But you are, I mean, the daily's pretty cooked, man. I mean, 82. Last times you were up here, you did get some sell-offs. But this one looks good, man. I mean, this looks like a macro, almost sort of higher low. But let's see, man. I mean, you gonna come back for a double bottom like you did here? But I mean, you are at resistance. So what I would do is I would either wait for this to break out and retest if I wanted to get in, or, you know, I would wait for a pullback to get in, right? One of those two. I wouldn't buy it like into resistance like this. If you're in your I'm assuming you're already in it. If you're already in it, take some profits, man. You're up 3x in this current market. Take some profits, bro. Take some profits if you're up 2-3x on this shit. TP out, man. Take 20% out. You'll be happy later. I promise you. A nice move, dude. 30% today. That was real nice. That's real nice. It's real nice. Real nice. Do Ondo. Raheem said 44K incoming. I am in a short. I am currently in a short right now because we are at resistance. You can hate on it. This is just my trading. This is just me trading. Okay, this is not what I want to happen. I want to make this clear. Whenever I short, I don't want to short. I'm just trading. My spot bags always want to go up. But we can make more, you know, money in the meantime, right? Play in the range. But I am short. I don't want 44K. Though I would make a lot of money if Bitcoin went to 44K. I don't want Bitcoin to go to 44K. I mean, I'll have it go back to here, 59 or 57 if it wants to, but I don't want it to go to 44K. I really don't. I would rather get stopped out. I would rather Bitcoin pumps than stop me out. And we just pump. Like, I would totally rather get stopped out. 100% would rather get stopped out than go down. So just know this. Like, this is always the case for me. All right, anyways. Let's see what else we got. So CME gap at 3K. You look at COS, dude, COS is one of the worst charts in crypto. I'm going to be honest. I'm not afraid to say it. I could be wrong. I think this is a coin that's already had its run and is in clear distribution. That's my take. I think this is in clear distribution. And when it finally breaks from this distribution, what's distribution, right? We get those 3 higher highs, 3 rising valleys, right? And then we break a neckline. So, I mean, my take is I think this is a coin that's already had a massive run. Plenty of retail already made a shitload of money off this. They're taking profits up here. You know what I mean? So I do think if Bitcoin was to flush, once this breaks, this thing's going to come down pretty hard, in my opinion. That's just my take on cost. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, whatever. But this thing hasn't done anything since November last year, almost a year straight of going sideways. Despite other cryptos going up in November, December, January, February last year, right? This one didn't do anything. And I think this is long-term distribution on costs. And this one's going to come back down. I wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down to here. I would not be shocked to see it come back down to there. Call me crazy. That's just my take, though. It had a good run. It had a great run. It had a great run. It's just you got people who bought this here and are still up 31x. You know what I mean? Like, it had a great run. It did. But I think there's better coins to be in right now than COS, which already ran. It's not, doesn't mean it's bad. I know people are gonna get mad. Just playing the charts, man. Just playing the charts. It has nothing to do with the coin, okay? Nothing to do with the fundamentals of the coin. Jeez. Run out of buyers? Kinda. The sad truth is probably XRP is the future UN world currency. Oh my God, we're not going to start this, are we? We're not going to start the XRP talk today. We're not going to do that. Where are we at with this? Should we refresh? I think this rounds, dude. Like who makes a website that rounds, dude? Just make it normal, man. Make sure you press the subscribe button, guys. We're trying to hit 75K, so if you're new in the stream, make sure you subscribe. We're live every night. Well, not every night, but most nights at 7 p.m. So get in here and be jolly, okay? And be jolly, man. All right? Be a jolly fellow. Be a very jolly fellow. What do we got? Let's see what Bitcoin does here, man. Let's see what Bitcoin does. The old school move when Bitcoin moves, my goodness. Thank you, Captain Obvious. Ovna. Thank you, man. I love Captain Obvious. Oh, fuck. Short and strong, 44K coming, guys. This guy is short and strong. Frankie Legend is short and strong, man. I'm sure you are, dude. I'm sure you pumped the weights today. I'm sure your wife told you you're really short and strong, man. You like when your wife tells you you're short and strong? I'm sure you do. Nothing better to tell you when your wife is short. You want your wife to tell you you're long and strong. You don't want to be short and strong, man. You want to be long and strong. Hella long and hella strong. Anderson said every night except the 24 vacations in 1 year. Yes. I've only been on one vacation this year. You guys act like I go on 18,000 vacations. I've only went to one vacation. Yeah, I've only been on one vacation this year. And then I moved, which took like 2 weeks. But I don't go on a lot of vacations. I really don't. Sometimes you guys make it seem like I'm this like vacation connoisseur, which I would love to be. But I'm really not. Next year might be different. I think next year will be, hopefully, like a nice traveling year for me. I'm hoping this market pops off by like Q1 of next year, so then we can just like, you know, we can settle down in the bear market a little bit, you know. But we'll see, man. You've been off a total of 9 weeks this year. Hector, you have a calendar that you mark off for me? You do? Do more vacations, bro. Why do you want me to do more vacations, man? I mean, we can. All right, let's do our daily retardito look for Anderson. This thing is just holding up at the highs, dude. That daily as an 80, 84. Holding at the highs, man. I mean, it's tough. It's a tough buy here. I mean, if you're already in from lower, fuck it. It's definitely a TP zone. But that thing is right at the previous high. Can retardito be even more retardito? Or will it pull back from here and create like this like weird ass cup and handle? You know? One of these. And go for it again. Remains to be seen. But retardito showing some retardito strength to the highs. Like a retardito. Like a retardito. I don't even know what vacation is, Jim. Yeah, I mean, that's probably good, man. It means you probably have some good work ethic. You know what I mean? You got to respect. I respect the work ethic, man. Excuse me. That's weird. That's a scam wick from before all the exchange. Oh yeah, we were looking at a different chart yesterday. I know why Jordan has a long, deep line between his eyes. Iceman Crypto's pissed that I'm short, man. And you sound kind of emotional, man. You sound like you're long and strong, bro. You sound a little emotional, man. I am short. Come for me, man. I told you. I would rather the market go up. I actually make more money if the market went up. Much more if the market went up. So come after me, man. I want the market to go up. So if you're long, come get me, man. I'm waiting for you. Right above this line, bro. You break this line, you stop me out. You break this line, you stop me out. I'm waiting for your Iceman Crypto. Come get me, bro. I want to be stopped out. Please, stop me out. Oh, shit. The next generation of alts will have fixed supply as Bitcoin and many meme coins do. People have been saying that for a while, but they never do. They never do. They really never do. Automatic Beats said, "Let's fucking go." Let's fucking go, man. Stop me out, man. Right here. He's taking one for the team. I mean, sometimes you gotta short and get stopped out for the homies. You know what I'm saying? You gotta short and get stopped out for the homies, man. Sometimes you gotta take one for the team. You know what I mean? The more people who short right here, the more likely it is we break out. You know, the more people who long right here, the more likely it is we go down. So I'm helping out the bulls here, actually. Technically, I'm helping out the bulls. I love you. I love you too, Iceman Crypto. It's all fun and games, man. It's all fun and games. It's all fun and games. Shit, man. Fuel the fire. I am fueling the fire, man. I'm waiting. I am waiting patiently. Can you check Tia? Oh, Celestia? Celestia has a really interesting chart, man. I mean, this is one of the new coins that hasn't really popped off. Oh, actually, now it is. I was looking at this today. Now it's popping off. Started popping off in the last... Okay. Started popping off in like the last 8 hours. Makes sense. I was looking at it this morning. Yeah, I mean, this is one of the newer coins that came out in 2023 that I think is really a good play, too. These new coins, man, I think are going to be the ones that keep popping off, man. Right? Celestia is another one. So it looks like you're on the verge of breaking really like almost a year-long downtrend. You're on the verge of almost breaking it. So I think you're gonna keep seeing the coins that launched in 2023 and 2024 one by one. They all keep trying to break out. You know what I mean? So Celestia is another one of those. Really nice. Like really nice accumulation range right here, man. Like that's beautiful. That is a beautiful accumulation range. Absolutely beautiful. And it's textbook Wyckoff too. Downtrend. You get 4 months of sideways, right? Now we get the expansion. But yeah, I mean this is a beautiful chart. This is absolutely textbook actually Wyckoff. 1, 2, 3, right? Come back up, retest. And let's see if this one can get going, man. Celestia, new coin that's still relatively in its bottom range. I like this one. I like this one a lot. I really like it. Inverse, yeah, I get inverse head and shoulders too. Yeah, it's there. Whatever you want to call it. Inverse head and shoulders. It's there. They got the setups. So I would be surprised to see this one start to roll. Start the rigmarole out of there. Canada. I found out today Canada has its own Thanksgiving. Like, since when does Canada have its own Thanksgiving? Like, what? Like, what? Since when does Canada have Thanksgiving, bro? Come on, Say. Come on, boy. My money's on Say, man. My money is on Say. To this golden pocket, 80 cents, man. My money is on Say, bro. Oh, this is one of the most beautiful charts right here, too. clean range, clean double back test, retest. Give me, say, 80 cents. Double up my bag, man. I'll take half off. Come on, man. Let's go, say. Come on, man. Beautiful chart. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, Canada has its own Thanksgiving. Apparently. Which is, I thought this Thanksgiving was America because we had the Indians and, they showed us how to, make or how to catch the turkeys, apparently. Like, that's what the role of Thanksgiving is supposed to be, right? Humans are like, they taught us how to catch the turkeys, all this stuff, which you could argue isn't really what happened, but we kind of stole their land. It's kind of fucked up. But I mean, apparently Canada, they showed the Canadians, or the French people how to catch the turkeys too. Apparently, I guess, I slightly guess they taught them that, man. I slightly guess. House Sailor? Is that a meme coin? No way, dude. Is that a Say meme coin? You gotta be kidding me, man. That's actually a really good one. Is that a Say meme? Sailor. Only reason I think it's a Say meme because it's like has Say in the name, and it's like Michael Saylor. That's the only one, man. All right, let's go back to BTC. Can we see Jordan get stopped out, and can we see Bitcoin actually break this trend line? I'm rooting for it, man. I want to get stopped out, so let's go. Let's go, man. I want my spot bags to get a little pumperoni, so a little pumperoni for Christmas. So let's get this shit on the road, man. Let's get this shit breaking out, man. I'm waiting. Come on, Bulas. Come on, Bulas. I want it.
Pump it.
I want it, man. Spike it up on the weekly close. Stop me out. Come on, man. Give it to me. I am just in confusion. Should I take some profits from this insane SUI gains and put them in Say? I think they're both good plays. Obviously, SUI's been better so far. Just SUI's at all-time highs, and Say is still kind of just retested. But I really do think Say is going to play catch-up. I mean, like, SUI and Say are like little brothers. Or, like, Say is like kind of SUI's little brother. I think this one's going to play catch-up quick. Really quick. As long as Bitcoin behaves. Obviously, if Bitcoin dumps, this will go down again. But if Bitcoin can just behave and go sideways, I think you're just going to see this continue to go up. If Bitcoin dumps, back to 40Ks, we're going to see this go down. Obviously, it depends on what Bitcoin does. But I think overall, you're going to see strength in these new coins. Like I said, man, you've seen it already. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. Look at Celestia, man. Celestia is getting a pump. For spell token. ENA has been one of these ones that has gotten pretty big pumps too. Blur's been doing well. Blur is another like kind of NFT newer coin that came out in 2023. Blur's doing well. AVAX actually hasn't been doing too bad. It's been doing okay. AVAX isn't doing too bad. The Celestia right now though. Hanging out in Celestia. Why not? Play pumps up. We don't get to do it too often. Yeah, we're gonna play the pump song right at the highs. Oh boy. I mean, Tia is getting up to resistance, guys. So don't be a weirdo and long this year. But nice pump, man. Really nice pump. Nice pump. Lots of hype on Off the Grid. No way, man. That game is still getting hyped up. There's no way. Do they have is the coin out? Guns? Isn't it like Guns or some shit? Gunzilla? No, that's not it. I thought the coin was supposed to be like Guns or Guns. I don't know. Probably not out yet. I thought it was supposed to come out way sooner than now. But introduce your viewers to Stacks. I like Stacks. I've talked about Stacks a few times. Like, I'm trying to see if I can get it here. Just because last time we had a big pump, we had a double retest of this logarithmic channel. So I'm trying to be patient and see if it slowly comes down to this trend line. Right? And I think like it's better to be patient on these coins that are kind of like old coins. So I'm being patient to see if Stacks. I mean, it actually wicked to 152 today, which is not that far from this trend line, which is 136. So we're slowly kind of getting there, man. I'm trying to be patient with this. You got to be patient sometimes in this market. And then the other one was Fed, which slowly, like, I don't know if it's going to get here. I mean, you have to get to like $1, but you did get out to like 127. I mean, you're not that far away. I think that's like 1-2 bad days. You know what I mean? So kind of being patient, same thing. Double tap here. And then you kind of run it up back to the top of the channel. So I'm hoping we get a double tap here, and then we ride it back up to the top of the channel. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. I don't know if I'm going to get it, but if I do, it's a nice entry right there. And we'll play this back up. But I'm being patient. Try not to force it. You force it, you might not play out. Iceman Crypto. Let's see. Gordon, you're an ETH guy or Sol? I'm whatever's doing the best right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Whatever's doing the best right now, man. Right now, no one really cares about ETH. No one really cares about Sol. The market is on other things. So and what usually happens is you're gonna get people that get like they're still holding those coins from before, and they're gonna be like, well, you know, the liquidity is gonna come back to these coins, and it's like the market's showing you the hand right now. You just gotta. This market is so fickle and it changes so fast. You gotta pick up on the narratives. You know, you got to pick up on the narratives. The narratives right now are these new VC coins that launched in 2023. That's the narrative right now. All those coins are popping off one by one. That's the narrative right now. The narrative is not ETH, Sol, and these Dino coins. That's not the narrative right now. Maybe eventually it will, but this market, this cycle, you have to pick up the narratives quick, and you have to ride those narratives. You can't just sit in a dead coin, because that coin's just going to keep being dead. It's going to keep underperforming Bitcoin. It's just going to keep being dead. You got to be very like fickle. I don't even know if that's the right word. You got to be fickle and change it up. You got to follow what the market's giving you, and it's very clear what the market's doing right now. Coins that launch in 2023 are all popping off one by one. And the old coins ain't doing shit. If anything, they're going down. You know what I'm saying? Besides maybe a few, you know? But it's very clear what the market's doing right now, man. It's very, very, very clear. SUI and Hoppy Future of Finance. Let's see. Everyone get into alts again, but JC is short on BTC. I'm only short because we're at resistance, you know? It's not like, it's not rocket science. I'm only short because we're at resistance. That's all. And guess what? If if we break this resistance and I get stopped, I'm going to short right here again. I'm going to short right in this golden pocket again. And then if I get stopped again, that's fine. That is perfectly fine. We'll take a small loss again, and we'll short this line. If it gets stopped out again, guess what? This whole ride up, we're making that spot gains, man. And guess what? If we break that, I'll short here. All we're making spot gains, hedging with shorts. And if we break this, well, fuck it. We ride the spot bags to Valhalla. We ride the spot bags to Valhalla. But if not, right? If not, and I'm short here, guess what? The gains that I make from this short, I can just buy more spot bags if we go down again. It's beautiful. It's beautiful when you learn how to hedge. It is a beautiful thing. It's absolutely beautiful.
Jordan, would you
Completely beautiful.
Block or Z?
Oh shit. Jim Kennedy said, when alt season again, I'm getting so old. Dude, I'm getting old too. I'm aging every day. Every day I'm aging. 3 years. Mark said, would you rather hold arc block or C? Say. Say is just a good play, I think. L1. L1s are always good plays. They always tend to do well. Despite what the market's doing, L1s tend to do good. The other ones are like hit or miss. You know? I'm already having alt season with my memes. Yeah, you're killing it with some of those memes, man. Retardio. I don't really pay attention to too many meme coins. That's more of a casino. I stick to what I like and what I know. You know? I don't have the time, or not that I don't have the time, I have the time. I don't really, it's not like a foolproof way of consistently making money in memes unless you're really good at it. It's more of a casino. Like there's no like strat. I mean, there is strats, but even then you're trading it, right? I mean, you're trading those. So like it's either you're a trader or you're gambling on the memes. You know what I mean? So like not really a strategy unless you're a trader, you know? That guy Murad, top 10 list, all of them sending. Murad? I don't even know who Murad is. His list been killing it though. That's pretty dope. Just swap Sol for Say. Gotta stop being a community member. Sol been around 140 months. Nice, dude. Sol had a great run last year. I think it's gonna continue to do well. I actually really like Sol. The meme culture is still on Solana. I don't think that's going anywhere. You might see like some memes start to go maybe on like Say or SUI, but like the meme culture is on Sol. So I think Sol will continue to do well, or at least hold. As long as Bitcoin holds in the range, Sol will just keep going sideways. The good thing about Sol is it hasn't gone down that much, right? I mean, all the altcoins have gone down 70-80% from March. Sol is just kind of in the same range. So I mean, it's kind of been like a good to have a stable coin. It's kind of like, it's good to have this like little stable coin during the last, 7 months? Hasn't done that bad. I mean, it's down, but I still think if Bitcoin breaks out, Sol will still do well, in my opinion. I could still see Sol, easily taking out these all-time highs. If Bitcoin can break out. When it breaks out, I should say. When. Definitely when. When. I should use the word when. For sure. Is the bull run over? No, I don't think so. But we hedge just in case. We hedge. Hoffs, when shill chilies? 8 cents soon, then 10. Oh shit. Chili's, they're the best chips and salsa, by the way. Chili's got the best chips and salsa. Bearish divergence at resistance, but these coins been smacking these things. These coins have been smacking these bear divs. So yeah, you know, it's got like the little inverse head and shoulders action, but it's still that bearish divergence at resistance. It's tough, but it does have, you know, the little inverse head and shoulders with the neckline. If you can break out, you should be in good shape. Then you'd probably be looking for, you know, the breakout, the retest, and then fucking going for the highs again in this channel. That actually, you broke out the channel and you faked out last time. That was brutal, dude. You broke out and then you just faked it back in. It's fucked. It's fucked. It's fucked. It really is fucked. Anyways, back to BTC. It's getting pumpy. 8 p.m. Sunday fireworks. Rudy said, "I'm not selling my Dino coins, bro." Oh shit. It's okay, Hoofty. I respect it, man. I respect the hustle. I respect hustle. Hoofty said he just made another batch of jalapeno poppers. Fuck, man. It's one of my favorite things. Why am I all blurry, dude?
Remember to leave this market with more money than you started with, but if you don't, please remember that Jesus Christ loves you all more than you can possibly imagine, and there is always hope.
Brandon G. That was a very nice message of you, man. That's very true, man. Life is very good, man. Life is good. I think at the end of the day, crypto's crypto, right? Crypto is crypto. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you just, crypto's crypto, man. That's why, like, right now the market's boring, man, but like life's good right now, man. Like, you gotta have hobbies outside of crypto, you know? And that's one thing I struggled with for a long time. Like, my life was fucking crypto, man. Like, I had this like midlife crisis this summer, man. I really did. And I needed to like get back to my roots, you know what I mean? And, you know, start doing the things I love again. So life outside of crypto is good, man, and you can't let it consume your life. If you let it consume your life, it's gonna take a toll on you. You gotta have hobbies and passions and people that you love to be around outside of this space, or else you're gonna turn into a fucking turtle. You know what I mean? You're gonna turn into a fucking turtle. You don't want to be a turtle. You really don't want to be a turtle, man. There's a time and place to be a turtle in this market. Right now is not the time to be a turtle. You know? Golf is cheaper than crypto? Hell yeah. Kinda, it is. Kinda is. Crypto is the new World of Warcraft. Kinda is. It is in a way. It's like it's like it's like the new poker, man. It really is like the new poker, especially with the Memecoin casino. It's kind of like the new poker. Skillful said that's right. It is, man. It is. It is, man. It really is. Creepy Sheepy said, Jordan, I opened a short position to support your efforts against the market. I want to get stopped out, man. Listen, I never want the market to go down. It just ruins the vibe for everyone. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens. I never want the market to go down, but at the same time, I'm also a realist and I know it can. You know? So I'll see what happens, man. XRP is the fastest, faster, and best and strong. Yeah, that's what a girl said about me once. And I was the fastest, the best, and the strongest. And yeah. So I don't think that means too much for XRP either. Hence why you're seeing SUI break all-time highs while XRP's been in the same range for 7 years. I don't think anyone cares that XRP is the fastest, the strongest, or the hardest. You know what I'm saying?
Rant alert.
You know what I'm saying? Anderson said, I don't know who buys the all-time highs in these shit coins, but God bless them. That's what I'm saying, man. We've all done it, man. I mean, I bought all-time highs on some. I bought all-time highs on shit. I bought all-time highs on shit. We've all done it, dude. We all done it. It's a rite of passage. You have to buy all-time highs on shit and let it go. Yeah. Let's see. I'm not sure you can have a midlife crisis when you're like 30. You can, dude. It's more like a third life. You can have a third life crisis or a quarter life crisis. It's more of a, I'd say it's more of hopefully a third life crisis. You know? And then when I'm 60, I'll have a 2/3 life crisis. That's why Jay hit 8 XRP. He bought the top. I did, dude. I actually did buy the top of XRP in 2017. It's not the whole reason why I don't like it. I just think it's pointless to hold that coin, but which is like true. You know, it is what it is, though. Can you check Turbo? What's Turbo doing? Turbo, another one of these memes that have been popping up. Turbo. Yeah. Turbo is another one of these that's just like right at a tie. So, I mean, would I be buying Turbo right here? No. I mean, if you own it, I hope there's some noobs that are buying the highs here on Turbo. I really do for you, so it can keep pumping. I wouldn't buy this right here. But, you know, once again, if you got in down here somewhere, probably not a bad time to take some profits on it. Could go higher, but always remember in this market, you need to secure profits anytime you can, especially in this current market where your market goes up and down. Anytime you get big gains on something, you know you don't want to, take some out. You will not regret taking some out most of the time. Sometimes you will, but like most of the time you will not regret taking profits on stuff. You know, at least a little bit. All right, but yeah. Back to BTC. Can we get the weekly close pump? Let's go to the weekly real quick. Once again, guys, if you haven't subscribed, we're at 74.8. This thing just rounds. I need to find a new website, dude. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys. We're trying to go for 75. Can we hit the 3/4 life crisis on the channel? Remember, we've said for a long time, the channel subscribers on the channel are the resistance for Bitcoin. It actually has been kind of true, actually. So let's get this up, man. I'm gonna chill this every day. Fuck, we gotta start chilling this every day, man. You know. Anyway, let's go to the weekly. Weekly is. I wish it was like a full candle, man. It's fine. Good buy up, but it's kind of like this candle right here. It's fine. Can we close green? The weekly open is at 62,839. So we're going to close looks like we're probably going to close just green, like barely green, unless we dump in the next 3 minutes. We're going to close barely green. It's kind of just another like indecision candle. It's not really giving us much, you know? It's just another one of these indecision candles. But we'll take it, man. I mean, it's better than a red candle. It's better than a red candle. For sure. Faux show. It is better than a red candle. Faux show. All right. BTC is breaking out. Go long. I want to see it break this resistance, man. You break this resistance, we got to move to 63.6. 63.6 to 618 again. Break this resistance. Let's go to 63.6. Let's fucking do it, man. I'm down. I am game, and I'm down to go to 63.6. Come get me, bulls. Let's fucking go. Come and fucking get me, man. I want you to get me. I want you to show me a lesson. I want you to tell me I'm a bad, bad boy. Okay? I want you to call me a bad, bad, bad boy. All right? Let's go to 63.6. Come on, man. I feel like we were closing green. We can grab the upside wick from last week. Yeah, probably. I mean, now we probably have, I mean, we're going to have 2 wicks, the top and the bottom. We're probably going to have to fill both of those wicks again. That's the annoying thing about indecision candles is usually you have to get some price action filling the 2 wicks. That's like the annoying things about these candles is now like, okay, now we got wicks on both sides. So we probably, like this giant wick on the downside, we're probably going to have to fill this now. And that's sometimes the annoying thing is usually you fill some of these giant wicks, which probably shows that Bitcoin probably at some point next week probably goes lower than 62.8, right? Probably goes and fills some of this wick in at some point next week is my guess. Just based on this weekly close, you know, which doesn't have to. I mean, doesn't have to. Like this one you didn't. This one you just fucking popped up and you just popped up and you were gone. Same thing. This one you just you popped up and you were gone. But let's see what we get. All right, we got the weekly close. Yeah, let's go. Weekly close.
Rant alert.
62.8, 62.880. Not too bad. So we close the week green. Woo! Yeah. Now let's see where we are. We close the weekly. What will we do? Will we pump or dump on the weekly close or weekly open? Let me know in the chat, guys. Pump or dump on the weekly open. I think we will dump. I think we'll dump first and then bounce. But let me know what you guys think. I hope I'm wrong. But I think we will dump first and fill some of that wick. That dirty wick. Check out the weekly bull market support band. Oh shit. I actually haven't looked at that in a while. Let's see. Okay, so we're back above. I mean, this thing has been useless lately. We've gone below, we've gone back above. We've gone below, we've gone back above. We've gone below, we've gone back above. It's been useless. And a lot of times it's useful, but like it hasn't really been useful. It's been completely useless. How many times have we gone above this and dumped, closed above and dumped, closed above? But we are holding it now. I mean, it's 2 straight weeks. It's 2 straight weeks of holding this. But we could wick below it again, though. We could still wick below it again. But I guess, yeah, I mean, that's 1-2 weeks of trying to hold this support. We did it here, and then we just dumped. So, I mean, let's see. I mean, this has kind of been useless for quite a bit. Since about June, this has been completely useless. I guess that's what happens in a sideways market is it's just those long-term indicators sort of become useless in a way. You know. Anyways, let's go back over here. Yeah. Let's see. George has more excuse for Bitcoin dump than my wife for bed. Oh Lord, dude, you get the I'm tired. I'm tired, or do you get I'm tired, or I'm hot. That's the best one. I'm hot. I've never gotten I'm hot. I have gotten I'm tired before though. It's like bullshit. You're tired. Bullshit. You're tired. Bullshit. The I'm hot. No, we don't play that game. We don't play the I'm hot. I'll put the AC on for you real quick, baby. You know what I'm saying? We don't play that game. What's another good one? What's another one? See, I don't know too many of them, man. I mean, you married guys probably know more than me, man. You guys who've been with a chick for 10 plus years, you probably know more than me, man. I haven't been in like super long relationships to know. You know what I mean? So he said maybe later. That would be horrible. Maybe later. Maybe later, man. That means no. That just means no. Like, get away from me right now. No. Get away from me. Us guys will do it even if we're dying. That's what I'm saying, man. Dude, we will drive a car on a flat tire 2 hours if we know we're gonna get a little action. You know what I mean? I don't want to hear that shit. You know? The wives don't give those BS excuses to their boyfriends. For me, it's just, get the fuck off me. That's fucked. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me, you whale. Oh, jeez. The headache? Oh, but please. Please, she was just chatting on the phone for 2 hours with her girlfriend. Bullshit headache. Bullshit headache. You were just chatting Kathy with your girl for 2 hours on the phone. Creepy Sheepy said, as long as I pay the bills, I don't get no freaking excuses. That's good. It's a good point. It's a good point. It's a good point. Don't feel good. It's my time. Maybe tomorrow. I'm sore. My back hurts. My back hurts. Dude, my back hurts my ass. My back hurts. Oh, Lord. All right. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to call it. So we watched the weekly close. Let's see what Bitcoin does. It's at resistance. If we break through here, we probably go to this golden pocket again, 63.6. And then we'll kind of see what happens. But let's see. Let's see what we get, man. Let's see what we get. I am short. I don't want to be short. I'd rather get stopped out and the market go up. But let's see what we are tomorrow, all right? Have a fantastic Sunday nights. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the first day of the stock markets. And we'll see what crypto gives us this week, man. Let's pray for the bullahs to step up and get a little breakout. I would definitely root for that. All right? Peace out. Much love. And make sure you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's hit 75K tonight. Smack that. We got 560 people in here. 80% of you guys aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, guys. It'll make my day. It'll make my day. All right? Peace.